Hey everybody, thank you for being here. In case you didn't already know, I'm Tim with Jeepin and Explorin. Today I'm out here, just these beautiful woods outside of Flagstaff, Arizona, and I'm doing something I haven't done yet before, and that would be, I guess you could say, a product review. Haven't really had much of anything yet to review, but recently we had some camping trips come up, and at the More Expo 2024, one of the things I was looking for was something that doesn't really get talked about a lot, but definitely comes up, and that would be, what do you do when you got to use the bathroom when you go camping? So we've seen several ideas, the 5-gallon bucket thing, but we compact everything inside of our Jeep and try to stay pretty minimal. So, bucket takes up space. Seen the pop-up stand-up tents, put the toilet in there, and those work out okay. But we ran across this. It's called the Instaprivy, and I went and visited with those folks there, and me and Paul visited for a little bit, and he told me a little bit about this and agreed to give us one to review, to try it out for a while and see what we thought about it. So I thought I would show it to you guys. And to be honest with you, it's really nice. The thing I like about it is everything is compact. It's as you can see, it's in this heavy nylon backpack. One thing that we have done that I put to the test that's not on camera is on a couple camping trips, I strapped this to the roof of our Jeep with some other things on top, driving down the highway in 70 mile per hour, going through rainstorms, because it says the bag is waterproof. And a few of the other things that was up there didn't fare so well, but this bag still looks brand new. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys the stuff on the inside and everything. It does come with 2 straps. It makes for a great backpack if you're going and hiking and doing anything like that. So packing in and packing out is really easy. I know when you're base camping, it's easy to say, well, I will just go behind a tree, and that's fine. But a lot of the campgrounds these days, they don't really want you digging in the ground. But this does come with a shovel if you're hiking somewhere, and that's still something to do. You can do that. But this also works great. For instance, we was at a campground in Kentucky, and in the middle of the night, my wife decides that she needs to use the bathroom. Pitch black out. We're camping in our Jeep, so the porta potties were clear on the other side of the camp. So packing everything up and driving there was not going to happen. So we had to walk all the way across the camp, holding the flashlight forward to use the porta potty. Women doesn't go in the woods a lot as easy the time as most time like guys do. So anyways, this would have been handy for that. Also, as you can, I will show you in a minute, I'm going to show you the tent and everything that goes over. I drive a truck for a living, for those that don't know. Sometimes I take my son with me, and we get in places where, even sometimes places we deliver and pick up, they don't have restrooms for drivers or anything. And if they do, it's a nasty porta potty that's been out in the middle of the parking lot in the baking sun that hasn't been cleaned for months. And it's just not feasible. Or sometimes you're driving several miles down the road, maybe going across the desert or something like that, and there's no bathroom, so you're basically pulling off on an on-ramp, and then you're like, well, what am I doing about privacy? Well, this definitely helps out for that. So we're going to open this up and show you guys some of the contents. Again, we have used this, we put it to the test. So I have opened it before, so this is not brand new opening. You got 4 straps here, basically, that helps keep it shut. And I've got a big bug on me, sorry. And then you just unzip it here. And the first thing you notice is the toilet. And it folds out like so. And then this just folds over and snaps into place. Now, it does come with a couple rolls of toilet paper, and it comes with a shovel, which I'll show you that in a minute. Also comes with these waste bag kits, and we've used a few of these bags and they do hold up well. They also come with some absorbent gel pads that you put in it. So if you're using this thing, it's not just sloshing around in the bag. If like women use it, them gel pads do absorb it, so it makes it more of a solid. But you can go to their website and order more of these, or as far as the bags go, you could probably just go on Amazon or even to your local academy or something, and probably get something that would work the same. But it does come with 5 bags, 5 gel pads, and some resealable bags and everything. But so what you do is I'm not going to get one of the bags out, but you just drape the bag over this, and then you just shut it down over it, and it holds the bag in place. Now, when I first got this, in all honesty, I was kind of worried about this being a little flimsy, because by no means, I'm not a small guy. So I was worried about, is this going to hold me up or anything? Just say the least, it does. On their website, it says it's rated up to 250 pounds. I heard Paul with Instaprivy say that they've tested it on other tests, and it, did hold up to a lot more weights than that. But however, I weigh 300 pounds. Not proud of that, but I do. And it has held me up just fine. Matter of fact, as you can see, I can even stand on it, and it holds my weight. So if it can hold me, stand up at 300 pounds, most people, especially if you're a hiker and everything else, you're not going to have any trouble with this holding you up. Now, as you can see, it also has a pretty good height. I have seen other toilets that set pretty low to the ground, and trying to get up off of them or down on them, especially if you're not in the greatest shape, can be a challenge. But this one sets up pretty nice and is actually really comfortable, and it's a little bit more elongated, which I like, instead of round. So you've got more room to fit your business and not have to scoot back and scoot forward and back and forward like you have to do with some going to the bathroom in round holes. But anyways, I can stand up on this real easy. Sets up real nice. Now, the best part about this, in my opinion, and here's the shovel, by the way, it does come with a shovel. I'm not a big fan of burying stuff. I'm a pack it in, pack it out person. So we use the bags and everything. I haven't used the shovel. Don't plan to, but it's there if you do. It does come with 4 rolls of toilet tissue. Like I said, if they compact in here real easy. I haven't used this toilet paper. We kind of carry our own, but I don't know. I can't tell you how well this toilet paper is, whether it's paper thin or thick. I'm not sure, but that'll be up for you to decide. We do just carry our own toilet paper, but this is my favorite part here. And I'm just going to open it up and show it to you. It's actually the most compact thing I've seen as far as privacy goes. You have these straps over here, and you just pull them off, and it just pops open like so. And you have the option. It has this up here on top, If you want to, say, hang it from a tree, you can. Or in most cases, what we do, if there's no trees around or you're out in the middle of nowhere or on the side of the road, is it has this little cushion here, and you just pop it on your head and you drop it down. And then it just, you can see out. It has a mesh 360 degrees that goes all the way around, and you can see out, but nobody can really see in. It gives you breathability. So that way, if you're not, arrogant and you think your stuff, doesn't stink, well, you'll be fine. But if you're like me and agree that your stuff does stink, well, you've got plenty of ventilation. So anyway, you just pull this back up, and it has a couple pockets on the inside. Probably can't really see those great on the camera, but it has a couple Velcro pockets on the inside. You can put hand sanitizers in here. It has, a little place where you could put your toilet paper in here, or if you're one of those that takes a long time, I guess you can put reading material in there. But anyways, this also works great if you're at the lake or anything, or the beach, and we have used it to let our kids change out of their swimming clothes and into their regular clothes using this. And I have also, we haven't done it, but I've heard of people that actually use these for their portable showers. So you just hang that from a tree, and got plenty of room to put your little soap bottles and everything in there, and set up your portable shower in there and still have your privacy for that. So it does have multiple uses. You could probably use your own imagination for some of the things, that you'd want to use it for. But those are just some of the things that I recommend. This would be great for anybody in the military doing drills. I would say, like I said, if you got any truck drivers in the family, this would be pretty ideal, because trust me, they're not always going to be somewhere that has a bathroom. I know that from experience. But it's great for camping and everything else. So, and in all honesty, the biggest issue I've had is, and I don't think it's so much of this as it is me, it's getting it to fold back up. It's took me a couple times the first few tries. It's got those, I guess, metal bands in them to where basically it just kind of folds up and it folds out. But basically you're supposed to put it together and then you twist it like so, and then it just goes back together, and then you put your handy little strap over it, and it goes back in the bag underneath the strap, holds it down. Put your bags there, then your stool, you just fold that up, that like so, and this folds backwards, and it's super compact. You're not going to get this compact with a 5-gallon bucket. If that's what you want to use, by all means use one of those, but I don't want to spend a whole weekend or a week out overlanding with a 5-gallon bucket, whether I put bags in it or not, and then put that back in my vehicle and have it taking up all that space. So this here is just, I think what impresses me the most that I like, other than the canopy, because that's the main attraction for it, but I love this bag that it comes in. So, but yeah, that's it. Now again, this was a sponsored ad. I'm not trying to be biased. I'm trying to be honest. They did give me this to review and give my opinions on it. And I don't make anything off sales of this, so I will leave a link in the description to the website that you can go to. You can also get it on Amazon. It does not link to me. I do not make anything off of the sales. They were just nice enough to allow me to take one of these, try it out, see how I like it, and basically just give my opinion on it. And I am actually rather pleased with it. So yeah. So if you've got any question about what you're going to do if you're out in nature and nature calls, go check them out at Instaprivy.com. Maybe this will settle your needs, maybe it won't, but I highly recommend it. But anyways, with that being said, we're going to get out of here. We're going to keep heading up the woods here, and as always, keep exploring, and we'll see you next trip. Thanks.